Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, and I am so excited because this is right up my alley. What are we doing?
Right. We're making a grain bowl, Tuscan grain bowl.
Oh.
Hence the Tuscan ingredients. Castelvetrano olives, grilled chicken, roasted tomatoes, grilled artichokes, gigante beans. We have sautéed spinach, fennel salad, a bed of arugula,
Farro.
Farro, right?
Love Farro.
Farro salad. Farro. Dates back to the Roman Empire.
I once read that.
So this is what we're gonna do, Lil.
Okay.
This is all you.
It's all me.
All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a dressing.
Okay.
You're gonna build this bowl.
Okay, I could do that.
Yeah.
You have faith in me.
I have faith in you.
High five.
Take a little bit of whole grain mustard, put it on the bottom. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay. Should I put more?
I would go heavy.
You want me to go heavy on it?
Go heavy.
Okay.
Go
all
heavy.
right.
And I'm gonna slowly try to emulsify this dressing.
When I'm at home, I'm very sure of myself, but when I'm here with you, who's like a professional,
Don't be intimidated. Lil.
that's it. I didn't
You
want to
got
say
this.
it, but I'm feeling a little intimidated.
You're looking good.
I think I'm looking good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna eat this, so I could use my hands.
Go for it, Lil.
I'm almost done.
Look how easy that was.
Look at this.
We're just gonna drizzle some of this.
Perfect.
Yeah? That's
Yeah.
it?
Oh, well,
One more, one more.
I keep this girlish figure.
That's a Tuscan grain bowl.
I love this. It
Isn't it
could
fantastic?
not be easier. You could buy the things pre-made, throw it in there, and you have some lunch or dinner. So head to newspelt.com. You'll find the recipe there. Gio, thank you.
Thank you, Lil.
Good job.